body looking like cinnamon. I'm running shit right now. I think I pulled a ligament. Fashion killer, a liar, assassin, vet, mom, villain, Balenciaga bastard.
What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my channel. I am Courtney, if you do not know. First things first, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I need you to be a part of us. We need you. Next, I need you to follow me on all of my social media. Keep up with me, stalk me. Yes, I'm stalkable. They will be on the screen and they will also be linked down below. Now, the reason you clicked onto this video, let's get into these Marley twists. Like, do you love? Because I love. These are, I don't really know if they're Marley twists or Havana twists. We're just gonna call them Marley / Havana twists, okay? Yes. I wasn't quite sure how I would feel about them as I got closer to actually doing them, but now that I have them done and in my head, like, I really do love them. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they come to my hips. I didn't necessarily want them this long, but once I had them, I was like, okay. So this is my protective style. I was really tired of doing my hair every day and I kind of wanted a break from the wigs. So I wanted to do something where I could just get up and go. I kind of like the bohemian, messy, almost dread look of the Marley twists. So I really wanted to try them out, and for my first time doing them, I'm really impressed. Since I didn't show you all in the video, but I redid my ends with flexirods just to give them just a little crinkle. They're super lightweight. They're really easy, honestly. Maybe we're gonna put that one away because that one wasn't a good one. We're gonna tuck that in. Altogether, it took me about 6.5 hours, but I started the night before, as you'll see in the video, and then I came back the next day and finished them. Altogether, in total, I used about 3.5 packs of hair. I only have like maybe a third of the last pack left. For this size twist, I only used 2 strands of hair. I didn't want them to be too chunky, but I didn't want them to be too small at the same time. I feel like a Rasta gal. She's a Rasta gal. She's a Rasta gal. I'm gonna actually take it down for you guys. I want y'all to see. The details is what make everything. So, if you guys can see, I have beads. This is actually a weaving thread, like, that I do my sew-ins with, but it's blonde. I didn't feel like going to the store and getting, like, the actual string and the cord that everyone else uses, so I just used what I had, and I found it in my hair bag, and here we are today. Enough of me yapping. If you guys are interested in seeing how I get these Marley twists and all this magic I have right here, please stay tuned. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I shampooed it and deep conditioned. Please don't mind my voice at all because I woke up feeling absolutely terrible. Even though I feel sick, I have to do my hair. Like, I can't walk around with my hair not done. I'm gonna prep my hair and I'm going to like pre-part it and then put little twisties. But before I blow dry my hair, I'm going to trim my ends really well. If you haven't seen that video, it is up on my channel. I'm gonna do it off camera. I'm gonna use my organic coconut oil as well as my leave-in conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. I will see you all when I am done. Okay, so I'm back almost 3 hours later. I moisturized it very well, then I trimmed it, and then I went back in and blow dried it all out so I could have like stretched hair. All my hair is pre-parted already. In the back, it looks absolutely horrible. What I'm going to do is attempt to do maybe like 1 or 2 rows in the back tonight before I go to bed. And then I'm gonna come back in the morning and show you all my progress. Such a beautiful day. Like, the sun is shining. Well, I don't understand this. Why am I sick and cramping? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is day 2. Like I said, I was gonna come back to you all with some of my hair already done. This is what I have done so far. I did find it really helpful that my hair is already pre-parted. My parts are a little raggedy. I'll start here. So I'm gonna come here, brush out my hair. Now, feel free to use any type of edge control that you have, your favorite edge control or whatever. I didn't have any edge control, and when I went to my local beauty supply store, all the familiar brands that I knew, it was a little pricey. They was trying to literally wax me for the wax. So the cheapest one that I found was this one. It's called Red One. The hair that I'm using is Jamaican locks. I have the color 2, and then I also have the color 4. In the store, I really couldn't tell a difference, to be honest. I'm sure there will be one in the sun. So I'm just like alternating using both. So this is my process. Take about 2 pieces of hair, and I kind of stagger them a little bit. This is what they'll look like. And then take my comb and comb them out. This hair is really easy to detangle. It doesn't get nappy, really. It's really easy. The hair is really easy, so I will say this hair is not giving me any issues. Then I take my ends and I also comb them up, make sure they're nice and big and fluffy. You can tell the difference. Edge control, and I'm really just putting it on the root. I was gonna do the rubber band method, but then I was also looking at videos that said the rubber band method causes a lot of buildup as well as cause breakage. Anybody got time for that? This is a protective style, so I want my hair to be protected. I'm using the braid method, and I am hooking my hair, using it as the third leg right here. And then I just keep it tight at the top for maybe like 1.5 inches down. And then I split my hair into 2 like such, and I begin twisting. To make sure my hair doesn't come out, I take a little bit more edge control as I go down. And as I get further down, I kind of loosen up. And as I get to the end, I add just a little bit more edge control to make sure the ends are nice and neat. Twirl it around my finger. And there it goes. This one actually is like the perfect size that I'm going for. The perfect length and the perfect size. Last night to do the back of my hair, it took me like maybe 3.5 hours, and I was kind of taking my time and moving slow. Like I said, I'm sick, so I really wasn't in a rush. And it is now 11:11. Make a wish. I wish that I get done in 2 hours. That ain't gonna happen. I want to be done before 5. Hopefully it will happen. Time check. It's 1:03. First of all, I would just like to say, I can't wait to take these out already because I have so many plans for this hair. My mind is just wandering right now. Baby, we down to our last 3. I'm feeling like I need to go write a poem right now. Before I finish these 4, I'm going to start my kettle to make my boiling water so I can dip my twist. Okay, so let's go dip these joints. After that long, tedious process, I don't even know how many hours later, this is the finished result. And I love it. I really, really do. Off camera, after I dipped my hair, I went ahead and added some little hair accessories, the little gold rings, little designs. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know how you like it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you do. Comment down below and let me know what you really think. And also hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of the family. Like, why haven't you hit it already? Like, hit it. What's wrong? Oh, also don't forget to follow me on my social media. It'll be on the screen as well as down below in the description box. So thank you all so much for tuning in with me today, and I can't wait to see you again. Give me a kiss.